Hey there, future legal eagles. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated with all our educational content. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of family law and how to ace your assignments like a pro. First, let's start with what family law actually is. Family law is a legal practice area that focuses on issues involving family relationships, such as marriage, adoption, divorce, and child custody, among others. Understanding these basics is crucial before you dive into your assignments. Family law can be complex and emotionally charged, which makes it a challenging yet rewarding field of study. So, how do you tackle a family law assignment effectively? Let's break it down. Step 1. Analyzing the assignment question. This might seem obvious, but it's essential to thoroughly understand what's being asked. Pay close attention to the keywords and the specific issues you are supposed to address. For example, if your assignment asks you to discuss the best interests of the child in custody disputes, you need to focus on that specific legal principle and not get sidetracked by other issues. Step 2. Conducting thorough research. Family law is ever-evolving, so make sure your sources are up to date. Use a mix of textbooks, scholarly articles, and credible online resources. Don't forget to check recent case law and legal precedents. Legal databases like Westlaw, LexisNexis, and even Google Scholar can be incredibly helpful. Always make sure your sources are credible and relevant. Step 3. Structuring your assignment. A clear and logical structure is key to a great family law paper. Start with an introduction that outlines the issues and your thesis statement. Then, move on to the body, where you discuss each issue in detail, backed up by your research. Finally, conclude with a summary of your findings and your final thoughts. Step 4. Mastering legal writing. Clarity and precision are crucial in legal writing. Avoid jargon unless necessary, and always define complex terms. Be objective and support your arguments with solid evidence. Proofread your work to eliminate errors and ensure your arguments flow logically. It might help to read your paper out loud or have someone else review it. Step 5. Properly citing your sources. Plagiarism is a big no-no in any academic work. Make sure you are familiar with the required citation style, whether it's APA, MLA, or Blue Book for legal papers. Always give credit where it's due. Using citation management tools like Zotero or EndNote can save you a lot of time and ensure accuracy. And there you have it. Follow these steps, and you'll be well on your way to acing your family law assignment. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your classmates, and comment below with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your studies.